end of the parade. No, it's okay. Is there any chance to have you together, ladies? Is there any chance, please? Thank you so much. Oh, this is a thumbnail. This is definitely, you look fabulous. Look at that. Love it. And I'm coming closer. Oh, behave yourselves. So, take care. Hey, you want to say hi? Looking beautiful! Beautiful! Hola, hola, Coca-Cola! Beautiful! See you later! Must be quite hot in that. It's actually quite warm. Somehow I thought the parade is gonna last forever and I'll be able to film. I just finished a live stream from here, guys. So that's why I'm starting to film a little bit later. So you can check that out. I don't know what the quality is because obviously it's a lot of people and the network sometimes goes bananas, but it was kind of okay as far as I know. Could have been worse. The train coming here was packed. I don't know if some people are gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave at 7 p.m. I'm gonna be filming until then. Let's see what's gonna happen. The day is young. I'm gonna go to the seaside soon, boys and girls. I'm just gonna hang out here for a minute to see what's going on. Love your dress. Hi guys.
Always like that.
I love the light here, therefore I don't want to leave anytime soon. You wanna say hi? You do. Say hi.
Hi.
Hola, hola, Coca-Cola.
Happy Pride.
Oh, good day. Look, woof woof. See, there's more people coming to Brighton. This is the way from the station, so all of these people are just arriving now. I love your dresses, costumes, whatever it is. I love the blue color. It's my favorite color in the whole world. It's the beach color. Enjoy your day, girls and boys. See you later. Bye. So yeah, let's go down to the beach. And also the clouds are coming, as always. For my live streams, the sky is always absolutely perfect. Not a cloud in the sky. For my pre-recorded videos, always unlucky. It is what it is. I'm getting used to it. This is not my first video from Brighton, by the way. I've got at least, I don't know, 6. It's my second time in my life coming here. I've got like 6 one-hour videos plus the live stream, so do check them out if you are interested to see more. It's always busy, always amazing. My first time was 2 weeks ago. The sky was incredible, so many people on the beach. I'm gonna walk on the beach very soon, boys and girls. Just imagine you need to go to the bathroom, to the toilet right now, which is slowly gonna be my case. It's gonna be interesting. So many people, you know. There is H&M on the top. Oh, this is a nice view. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, let's walk. What a brilliant idea to come. Oh my god. All these guys, I have to. Guys, stop in the name of love. Can I please have a picture of you? You guys look amazing. Can I please have one picture of you facing the sun, facing the sun?
Facing the sun.
Because that's gonna make you look $1 million. Oh, you made my day, guys. You know that. You look absolutely fabulous. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. Wait, don't move. Love it. Have a fabulous day.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye. Yes. Thumbnail, of course.
Oh, Andrew.
Or do I see a king in here?
You've got like the chest to be able to do that. Yeah, I do. Hi.
I like your crown.
Oh, thank you.
It's plastic.
It's my day.
It's my day.
It's not plastic.
It's not plastic. It looks metal to me.
Hi to your fans. Who are you vlogging for?
It's a YouTube channel called Girl in Paradise. Check it out.
Girl in Paradise.
Yes.
Go.
I'll see you later. Oh my dog, there is more thumbnails coming in. Let me see if they are obedient and willing to say hi. Stop, girls and boys. Can I have a quick hi from you? You look fabulous.
Hi.
Thank you so much. Your red bikini. Stop. I love it. So many people. Oh, this is incredible, guys. Parade or not, as far as I know, it's always busy. Oh Jesus, she's wearing hair curlers. Wait, let me check what's going on here. Fashion police. Oh, maybe she's attending something. Love it. Hi guys. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Friendly people. That's what I like. So yeah, you know, them going downhill gives my video a beautiful look, if I may say so. And on a day like this, I'm loving it. Honestly, this is photographer's dream, to stand in the middle of the road and catch all sorts of people. I love it. Anyway, let's walk. Brighton is beautiful. Hey. What I meant to say, a beautiful change of scenery from London. London is of course amazing, but there is only so many days you can film it, so change of scenery is always welcome. Such a shame I'm not here tomorrow. I'm in Bristol. Otherwise, I would probably come tomorrow as well. I love it. Any chance you could say a quick hi to the camera, boys and girls? Yay! So let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. First things first. I'm ready whenever you are. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. Take care. I need a stronger voice, like those guys on the vegetable market that shout one bone, 1 pound or something like that. My voice doesn't have authority. Such a shame. Imagine I could bossy people around. If you're a photographer and want to get good pictures, you need to have a good voice to stop the traffic and, you know, tell them what to do. My voice is useless. Such a shame. Let me get this. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola, looking beautiful. See, we have to compliment some boys as well. Hi, guys. Let me zoom in to show you how many people. This is insane. Trains are absolutely packed. The people are standing like it's the tube. Not joking. Anyway, let's go. See, Sadie's waiting. In my previous video, I was positioned across the road with this building as a background. So check out my other video from Brighton from today. This is my second long one. Love it!
Yes. Unless you call me the machine.
You look beautiful, colorful, I love it. Okay, let's not get killed by the cyclists. private paparazzi, and you stay where you are for a minute, for a minute, for a minute. I love it. So if you can turn this way so the sun is on you. I love the look. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Look at these guys up there on the roof. That's why I came here to show you. Living the life. All people on the balcony, party, party. Oh, today's crazy. The only thing I'm scared of, it's kind of hot and phones tend to die in hot weather, and all my footage, all this effort will disappear. So I might end it here and start a new one immediately, just to have some footage, you know. Anyway, let me show you how busy it is. Trying to find a toilet today is gonna be mission impossible, and I'm gonna be desperate quite soon. Anyway, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos. I'm gonna end it here, as I said. Take care. Bye.